look out and see the world. It takes everything we have to face it. Without a sound, we take a step. Inside our hearts are racing. If it takes forever, we'll get there together.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Right, so today we should be filming like the start of our vlogmas, right? And my mom is taking forever to get ready, so I'm gonna prank her, right? So the plan is I'm gonna try and do my makeup terribly to see how she reacts, right? So let's see. Usually she's like very supportive and stuff, so I don't know if she's gonna notice that, so I have to like really try and do a bad job, right? I'm gonna put like black in my eyebrows and maybe some really red cheeks and I don't know, and then I'm gonna try and prop up the camera and see what happens. Alright, so wish me luck. I did my makeup terribly because I feel like I had to, because maybe she would notice it. Otherwise, you know, like sometimes she's not so keen on details. So if you don't notice this, then something's wrong with you, mama. Okay? And I made my eyebrows like twice the amount of thickness that they usually are. So she doesn't notice something's wrong with her. So I'm gonna set up the camera and see what she says. Wish me luck. Guys, give this video a thumbs up for, you know, my effort. Let's see how good we can get her. Okay, guys, see. Mommy, how long have we wait for you? But you never have on your clothes yet. Come now, come tell me how my makeup look. So we are gonna go for the Christmas tree now. Yeah, come with me. So now you have a key. Let me drink some water first.
You do your eyebrow them so dark, Jesus.
Jamaica, I don't have no eyebrow.
That look ridiculous. Can't go to Pancama. You look like some clown.
Seriously?
Echt. No, that's too much.
Mommy, that's why I look at makeup now.
Liquor?
Look, I only do my eyebrow, my lips.
Du siehst aus, als würdest du auf den Fasching gehen.
No!
Nee,
Ich kann auch
also,
deine
ja.
machen.
Nee, danke, so möchte ich nicht aussehen.
Mama put on some for you.
Nee. You look scared.
No, you mean.
Seriously?
My extra put on my makeup will look good.
Ja, hast vorher auch gut ausgesehen. So, that looks so fake. Weil ja aufgeklebt wird. I'm sorry, but we have to be honest. Frag Sarah, vielleicht sagt sie ja was anderes.
Sarah, come here.
Ja, wie nicht ja Opinion. Guck mal. Ich finde das auch nicht.
So we need Sarah's opinion for my makeup. So I'm gonna look good. You see, mommy?
So yeah, I think not too much. And the some areas the my eyebrow them too. Guck mal, die Wäsche ist bald fertig. Naja, gut 56 Minuten.
So yes, I can film like this now, so you say alright.
Ja, guess ich bin dann nicht überstimmt, das halbe. Ja, ist halt am Mach halt, ne?
Come here. Where you run from me for?
So, we are going on that.
Yeah, we are going for the tree.
Na komm,
So you accept me like this?
komm.
Guys, I missed the whole of
Das ist ja auch bescheuert. Bis dahin noch mal. Das kleiner Finger, Junge.
Oh, guys, I pranked my mama. Come here. I already pranked her and the video not even started. We're supposed to go for a Christmas tree, but I pranked her.
Really? So what we gonna do now? Who got the most eyebrow?
No, the prank was to do my makeup herbal to see how you'd react. And I didn't even catch her reaction on camera because she just out there the whole time. Great.
You feel my reaction?
No, because I did not I know me not even catch the reaction.
Das ist ein gut zu nehmen.
Oh, okay. Anyways, guys, that was her reaction. Like up the video.
Ja, Mann, ne? Macht mal. So, Sarah, you think more about that?
Ready for anything. Sometimes I know we're gonna fall down. Hold my hand and we'll get up. I know we're gonna